Okay. JEE Main 2016 problem. So f of x is mentioned as a differentiable function in 0 to infinity. So f of x is differentiable function such that f of 1 is equals to 1 is given, as well limit t tending to x, t square into f of x minus x square into f of t divided by t minus x is 1 for x greater than 0. Then f of 3 by 2. We need to find out the value of f of 3 by 2. It is a limit problem. I think you all know about the concepts of limits. T is tending to x. If you replace t with x, what will happen? First of all, you need to check that. If you replace t with x, what will happen? Replacing t with x square into f of x minus x square into f of x divided by x minus x. Just replace t with x. If we replace t with x, the numerator is 0, as well denominator is 0, and it is an indeterminate form. Okay, since it is 0 by 0 indeterminate format, to avoid that we need to use L'Hospital rule, and which involves with the differentiation. Okay, so to avoid this I am going to use L'Hospital rule. That means I need to apply derivative for the numerator as well derivative for the denominator also. Since we are replacing t with x, so here we need to differentiate with respect to t both numerator and denominator. Okay, so just have a look. So differentiate with respect to t. What I am saying, use L'Hospital rule, use LH rule, and differentiate with respect to t both numerator and denominator. So next step it becomes like this: limit t tending to x, okay, t square, its derivative is 2t into f of x minus x square is independent of t, and f of t, f dash of t divided by derivative of t is 1, and for x, since we are differentiating with respect to t, treat x as a constant, so the derivative of x is 0, so this is equals to 1. Okay, just using L'Hospital rule, and since t is tending to x here, t is the variable, so with respect to that we need to differentiate, and x is constant related to t. X is not a constant actually, but when you think from the side of t, it is constant. Okay, and now see 2t, now replace t with x, right? Since limit is tending to t tending to x, so 2x into f of x minus x square f dash of t is equals to 1. Finally, this is the expression we have. Okay, see f of x is nothing but, so we are replacing t with x, right? So this is f dash of x. Okay, so now 2x into f of x minus x square into f dash of x is equals to 1, and we need to find f of 3 by 2. From this relation we need to find f of x. Usually we call this relation as a differential equation. Okay, so we need to solve this differential equation. We need to identify f of x to find f of 3 by 2. Further, what I am going to do is 2x into, see this f of x is nothing but simply y, minus x square into f dash of x is derivative of f, since y and f are same, so dy by dx, that is equals to, okay, 1. And now just multiply everything with respect to, just multiply everything with dx, so it becomes like this: 2xy dx minus x square dy is equals to dx. From there onwards the problem just converted into the differential equation format. See, till now it is limits and differentiation. From here onwards the problem is about differential equation. So now I am going to solve this. Just have a look. Okay, what I need to do, I am writing in such a way: x square into derivative of y. Okay, I will send minus that side. So x square into derivative of y minus y into derivative of x square. Just have a look. derivative of x square is 2x into dx is equals to minus dx. Is there anything wrong? Just have a look. This is 2xy dx minus x square dy, right? You just multiply everything with minus. So you will get x square dy first and this 2xy dy next and then minus dx. But here I am writing this 2xy dx as y into derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x dx, right? Now what I am going to do is I will just divide both sides with x power 4. Okay, have a look. X square into dy minus y into derivative of x square divided by x power 4 is equals to minus 1 by x power 4 dx. Just divide both sides with x power 4. Why I am dividing with x power 4? There involves the concept of solving differential equation. It is simply of the format derivative of y by x square in the left side. Just have a look. Derivative of y by x square. Denominator x square into derivative of numerator minus numerator y into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. I think you all know the rule for differentiation for f by g. G into f dash minus f into g dash by g square. With the same logic, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square is equals to, we have this side minus 1 by x power 4 into dx. Think about it. See, minus 1 by x power 4 is the derivative for which expression? Okay, and this is derivative for 1 by 3x cube. See, for 1 by x cube, the derivative is minus 3 by x power 4. Since we have minus 1 by x power 4 here, to balance I am writing 3x power 3, so plus some constant c. Okay, so usually the derivative of constant is 0, so if you write any constant like that, no problem, right? After this step, now apply integration, or you may say cancel differentiation on the both sides. You have the relation between these two. From there you will get the curve. Okay, I will erase this for the space and then I will continue. Till now just have a look. This limit t tending to x t square into f of x minus x square into f of t by t minus x is equals to 1 is given. Direct substitution is generating indeterminate form as I showed you. So use the L'Hospital rule and differentiate with respect to t. Since we are differentiating with respect to t, x is a constant. So the derivative is 2t into f of x minus x square into f dash of t denominator. Derivative of t is 1 and derivative of x is 0 is equals to 1. Then replace t with x. So 2x into f of x minus x square into f dash of x is equals to 1. So usually f of x is nothing but y. Y is equals to f of x, right? So replace f with y. So 2x into y minus x square into f dash in the sense dy by dx is equals to 1. Now multiply everything with dx. So 2xy dx minus x square dy is equals to dx. So just try to rearrange it to convert into the form of a certain standard differential formula. So x is multiply with minus x square dy minus y into derivative of x square is equals to minus dx. Divide both sides with x power 4 and this is derivative of y by x square and that is derivative of 1 by 3x cube plus c. Okay. So finally we have this derivative of y by x square is equals to derivative of 1 by 3x cube plus c. If you remove derivative on both sides, we will get this as y by x square is equals to 1 by 3x cube plus some constant c. Now our task is to find that c. To find that c, given f of 1 is equals to 1. F of 1 is equals to 1 in the sense, if you replace x with 1, you will get y1. So we need to replace x and y both with 1. So it becomes like this, 1 by 1 square is equals to 1 by 3 plus c. From there c is equals to 1 minus 1 by 3, that is equals to 2 by 3. So c is equals to 2 by 3. Finally we have y by x square is equals to 1 by 3x cube plus 2 by 3. This is the final result we have. Y by x square is equals to 1 by 3x cube plus 2 by 3. From there it is easy to identify y. Y is simply nothing but f of x, right? Y and f of x both are same. After calculating constant c as 2 by 3, replace there, and then y is equals to, send this x square that side, x square by 3x cube is nothing but 1 by 3x, plus send this x square here, it becomes like this 2x square by 3. So y is equals to 1 by 3x plus 2x square by 3. Y is f of x. So finally we have f of x is equals to 1 by 3x plus 2x square by 3. But the task is to find f of 3 by 2, replace x with 3 by 2 and get the value. That value is your answer. And it is a mains 2016 problem. And actually the problem is not completely on differentiation. After that differentiation we need to enter into the differential equation. To solve that we need bit knowledge about the integration and everything. But here we solved it just by using the differentiation formula. That's it. Okay. That's the problem.